Hey Focus fam, Johnny here, and today I have one of my favorite lightweight cameras with me, the newly released Sony ZV-E10 Mark II kit, which includes the new interchangeable EPZ 16 to 50mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS Mark II kit lens. The kit retails at $1099.99. First I'm going to tell you who this camera is for. I'll tell you a little bit about the camera and the kit lens, go over some of my favorite features. We'll do a side-by-side comparison to the Mark I, and then we'll take it out for a spin. So who's this camera for? Content creators and vloggers. This camera is also great for capturing behind-the-scenes footage on bigger sets, but it's especially for creators looking to take their videos and content creation to the next level beyond their smartphones. Why do content creators use their smartphones for creation? Convenience and simplicity. It's always on you, there's minimal editing, and it's easy to post on your social platforms. Well, the ZV-E10 Mark II kit has that too, and it has a fully articulating LCD screen with touchscreen functionality that supports vertical format and makes shooting for and posting on your social media channels super easy. To get the footage over to your phone, this camera has simple sharing options, including USB Type-C cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. As for those who like minimal editing, the ZV-E10 Mark II has features to create your vision in camera, such as 10 preset creative looks, the latest Sony video profiles, and a cinematic vlog setting which offers an intuitive way to create visually captivating footage. Additionally, you are able to import your own LUTs. It's also extremely portable, so you can have the convenience of a smartphone but in a camera with a larger sensor, providing greater image quality. The camera has a 26 megapixel APS-C sensor and comes with the latest processor. This means the processing engine is fast and powerful, improving autofocus performance with precise subject tracking and real-time eye autofocus. Today we are testing the all-new second generation 16 to 50 power zoom lens, but all E-mount lenses are compatible with the ZV-E10 Mark II. It's an E-mount power zoom lens. It has linear autofocus so you can focus while you're zooming. It has built-in OSS, which helps to minimize blur. It's lightweight, ultra compact, feels excellent, balanced, the weight distribution is perfect, making this combo extremely maneuverable. I would highly recommend this kit if you're upgrading from your phone. When comparing side by side the ZV-E10 Mark I with the Mark II, different batteries. We have the new battery, the FZ100 in the Mark II, where in the Mark I, we have the smaller, older battery, the FW50, you can see right here. Because there's a bigger battery, there is a bigger grip, which I like because there's more to hold on to. So if you have a bigger lens, I feel like I have a firmer grip on the camera. Texture is a little bit different, has more of a ribbed texture, where the Mark I is more of a divot texture. Next is the memory card, where it is stored. In the Mark I, it was stored by the battery. Where in the Mark II, it's in the side. The next thing I notice is the switch here versus a button. So the switch is definitely more favorable, in my opinion, because less chance you're gonna hit it by accident. Both have rocker zooms. On and off switch is up by the rocker zoom and by the switch, by the button, where on the Mark I, it was a toggle. Just want to point out here as well, the microphone jack on the Mark II is right next to the USB-C, which is both on the top, which is nice. On this one, the Mark I, you just have the jack on the top and the USB-C cables on the bottom compartment. The ZV-E10 Mark II is available body only, but for an extra $100, you can get it with the lens. The second generation 16 to 50 has OSS, and it also has new linear motors, which will help with breathing compensation and is great for content creators and video makers. It's totally worth it. I mean, it is. So we're out here on location. We're taking this for a spin. To Industry City we go. We're out here in Industry City, and we're gonna show you some new features of the ZV-E10 Mark II. We're gonna do a sample vlog on some food, or a food vlog, and I'll show you how easy it is.
Equipped with the touchscreen vertical format, the layout on your display is switched automatically to match vertical or horizontal orientations. And having touchscreen capability, allows for simple autofocus tracking with real-time eye autofocus. OSS, or Optical Steady Shot, is a feature on the EPZ 16-50 Mark II KIT lens that helps stabilize your shots, which is one of the reasons why it pairs so great with the ZV-E10 too.
So I'm in S Cinetone, which is one of the cinematic vlog settings, straight out of camera. And what it does is enhances the colors a little bit. We also have 10 preset creative looks, which you can tune in. I'll show you that in a minute.
Creative looks are presets that change the appearance of an image by adjusting the combination of color tone, saturation, contrast, sharpness, brightness, and other elements to achieve a certain look or style. You can customize your own looks by fine-tuning these elements and save them as a custom look to create your own original preset to easily apply it later as needed. Keep in mind that LUTs, or lookup tables, are also supported.
So I have autofocus face priority. It's gonna expose for my face, and as I walk outside, it's gonna maintain exposure. Gotta give it a second to work, and there we go. Product showcase. Get off me.
Product showcase is useful when you want to focus on a subject close to the camera, such as when shooting food vlogs or product reviews.
We gotta do more food vlogs. So we're gonna be testing the Intelligent 3-capsule directional mic. Right now it's in the forward position, front. And it's going, now it's 360, so you should be getting a little bit of noise from all over. And now it's back facing, so everything away from me. And we are moving into auto, so it's gonna use that intelligence and pick up whatever it needs to. And now we're back to front because I know I'm in front of the camera, and this is where you want to be if you are doing anything where you're talking to the camera. We got the, I don't know, octopus balls. One of them is filled with some spicy spice. Not spicy. Next spicy ball. Cheers. Hope my head doesn't explode. All right, we're starting with the defocus, and we're gonna show the difference between defocus on and defocus off. What that does is it will blur the background out. So if you have something distracting in the background or you wanna focus in on your subject, you're gonna wanna click the button and have it defocus the background. So if you have a background that you do want in focus, you're gonna wanna make sure it's in clear mode. So you don't want the defocus button clicked, and you'll be able to show off something pretty like this grass. One thing I wanted to mention is that there is no recording time limit on this camera. So I just wanted also to thank you guys for coming along with our adventure, and we are on our way out of Industry City. Let us know in the comment section of what you liked about this video, what you would like to see more of, and we'll incorporate it in our future videos. All right, thanks guys. Thank you all for watching. We appreciate you here at Focus Camera. And if you would like to continue to support our channel, please like and subscribe. Until next time, toodles.